I was falling with the rain. I was nothing that night. Oh, I was found by the river. I was found by... Been feeling solid lately. I'm the one who made me. I think I'm finding my peace, and nobody knows me. I can't watch myself through windows and see myself fade and never be okay. Fuck around, you're buried in lies. How do you sleep at night? Oh, never thought I'd be over this pain, but I opened my heart and I'm not going back. I was found by the river.
We are doing sukiyaki tonight, and usually we just use like the store-bought base, but tonight we're gonna make the base from scratch, which I prefer because I feel like store-bought bases tend to be really sweet, and then we always have to like line it up with extra water, some soy sauce, just like balance out the profile for what we want. We are not doing the 3 tablespoons of sugar. Nope. Nope. That's so much sugar. Nope.
Is what the recipe calls.
Okay, yeah, the recipe is making a version that's like the one that we buy.
Oh, I think I'll go 2.
Why don't you do 1 and then taste test it?
I'll go 2. Oh, what an interesting color.
Having it with the raw egg tonight. You grab it from the hot pot and then you dip it into this raw egg. This was very new to me when we started dating, and I thought it was kind of weird, but it's actually very good. Good, right?
Mm-hmm.
I just added such a nice like creaminess.
I tried to be cool and make designs on the shiitake.
Yes,
It did not work out.
it's okay. I always fail at it too. It's not just you. It's hard.
Oh, you know what would have been great? Did you have any meat?
No. Thank you.
Some potatoes.
Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state. Can't wait for the long day. Cause baby, like, ooh, it's all another flower lane. The sun goes around the state.
The plan tonight was to make Ethiopian food, but I was just told that the store is out of injera, which is so sad because I was so excited to make Ethiopian food, and I feel like the injera is just an essential part of it. We were going to do gomenwat, which is their braised collard greens, and dorawat, which is like the spicy chicken stew, and lentils. And I feel like between the lentils and the chicken, it will be pretty substantial, where like we can still have it without injera. I just feel like, you know, the texture and the taste of injera is just so good. But I think we'll still have like a pretty good meal without it. Two things that I had to go buy to make Ethiopian food is one, this chili powder called bebere, which is used in a lot of the dishes. And then the second one, which I think is even more critical, I'm going to butcher the pronunciation. I think it's nitiakibe. This is a spice clarified butter. It's kind of like ghee, but it also has other spices in it, which makes it super fragrant. Like I feel like there's like cardamom, maybe some cumin, and it makes everything taste so good. And this is usually like the base fat. Like sometimes you might add in other fats, but this is usually a base fat for like every single dish.
How fast?
It'd be like 10-minute miles. This looks so saucy and so good. This might be the best looking dorawat I've made yet. Our gomenwat, which looks really dry right now because it's been sitting out for a while. And finally, our misirwat.
Should I like warm this?
Probably toast it.
Cooked well.
The chicken?
It's so very juicy.
Really? Good job, me.
Yeah, really good job.
You got a knife? You want to share that? A lot to do later tonight, so I'm kind of thinking if I just make the curry base right now, I can just work until I have to eat dinner versus have to stop and then like make dinner later. I think that's gonna work. Also, I just woke up from a nap. Today's going well. Ooh, is that cooked? It's cooked. Oh my god, this looks so good. Open it up.
Q for cutie. Here we go.
Here we go. I didn't actually try the curry, so I don't know if it's good. Oh, good. Mmm.
Wow, the air fryer katsu is so good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. Very good.
Oh.
Mmm.
Can't do that anymore, cause if there's no me, who would be me? I can't watch myself through windows. I heal my pain, not through no pain, but through everything. Went through the hardest year of my life. I'm made from diamonds, ready to shine. No one can tell me who I am.
I cheated a little today because I'm not cooking. Boy is cooking. What do we got here, mister?
Got some Japanese style Chinese fried rice.
Yeah. Oh my god, this looks so good. You put in the tashu?
I did. I wish I put in more though. It's okay.
Working girl dress lunch that I didn't have to make myself. Nice. The butts are really good.
The what? The butt.
Feel the wind on your face, silence the noise around. Days come with some waves, surf it or drown.
We've got our carbs, mung bean vermicelli, rice cakes, and I guess you can kind of count shirataki as a fake carb, proteins, firm tofu, I think this is basa fish fillet, and our veggies, bok choy, napa cabbage, and shimeji.
Higher than the top, no, I got your back forever. Higher than the top, in a world like no other, you will never drop. No, I got your back forever. Sometimes it could be so complicated. No need to be so hard on yourself.
My sister went out to dinner a few nights ago and brought home leftover soup. She's never gonna eat it, so I'm gonna have that for breakfast. Gonna throw in some spinach, if I can find it. Hot. Gonna have this with some roasted seaweed. I got these packs from Costco, and it's really nice that they don't have the plastic tin that's usually in them because they take up way less space. And I think they're on sale. Or wrap it inside. Maybe I'll do that first and then see how. Seaweed is so good. We're going to Fogo de Chao tonight for dinner. Fogo de what?
Fogo de chão.
Fogo de Chão. And it is a Brazilian steakhouse. Essentially grilled skewered meat. All you can eat. And I've always been curious about it. I've never been before. So it's really, really nice that they invited us to go check out the new location. But like, I don't eat that much meat, and I feel like I get like meat sweats when I eat too much meat, so it just like has never seemed a worthwhile experience for me to go to. But since we are going tonight, we're like, okay, after lunch we can't eat anything until dinner. We have to save ourselves. It's currently 5:45 and we're hungry, and our dinner isn't until 7:45, so we decided that it'd be okay if we split one apple to tie us over.